I know you lying. I know you lying. That took like 1 minute. Hold on, the movement is moving. I gotta see this again. Okay. Ah! Okay, somebody call Ripley's because they're not gonna believe this. What? I cannot believe I did this in like 4 minutes. I only got 4 minutes. And you know what? I'm gonna rev my hair in that time because baby, in case you thought it was a fluke, we gonna do it again. Stop playing. Stop playing. Ah! Name a dryer that can do this in 5 minutes on textured hair. Don't worry, I'll wait. That's the power of RevAir. Oh! No way! No way! Look at this. Look at this. We're gonna do another one. Wow! I just did this in 2 minutes and I didn't even break a sweat. Like, not a bead. Not with the volume. RevAir? RevAir? In 15 minutes? Psh, a blow dryer could never, ever. I can't make this up. This is the real deal. You don't need to learn any new techniques or get any new products. You need a RevAir. Y'all better go get you a RevAir.